Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Pretty good because I pre-planned this trade before getting in because I know it's a bit too far from VWAP, and I said for me to get in for CCL is whether I'll take along somewhere at this level. I pre-planned this 809 and or if VWAP goes closer here, then they're probably gonna short here at around $8. So that's what I plan because this is a daily level, and then I'll go all the way down if it goes down. But the thing is, it looks like it's there's no volume at the at the at the open, and then it was. I know I pre-planned this. That's why even there's no volume, I kind of have to be strict with my stop just in case it goes below $8. Then I have to exit because I know this will squeeze. I kind of feel like it's gonna squeeze all the shorts because it's down pretty bad for few days now. So yeah, and as you can see on the daily candle, like the lowest was somewhere here. So it's like double bottoming in this area. So this was the lowest before, but the thing is it only got lower at the pre-market. So that's why I said if it breaks, then oh my god, the stock is in trouble. So I was kind of long bias at the open, even though it's on SSR and it's red. But I was really careful. You will see it on my trade. And another one on my list was Oxy, which I did not trade. I really wanted to trade it somewhere here long, but it was a bit too far from VWAP. Same as for XOM. This was pretty good because it's not that far from VWAP. And previous day high was somewhere here. I really wanted to take it short here after my CCL trade, but I didn't want to risk. So yeah, it could have been a really good trade, right? Like your target was somewhere here, stop was somewhere here. Yeah. So that's it. Let's watch my trade. When is this? CCL. Yep. There you go. So right at the open, as you can see, there's no volume at all. It's only like what 13,000 or something. And then it was kind of XOM was kind of as you can see here, it has at least 1 million volume, and this has 700,000 volume. So it's kind of I was kind of drawn to XOM too. It moved about 40 cents, and I was like, it's somewhere at VWAP, but it's below, so I didn't want to take it long. And this one was too far from VWAP, that's why I didn't want to take it long. Even though the candle is green, that's how I decide, but they're all below VWAP, that's why I didn't want to take it long. But for CCL, I kind of pre-planned this. Like I know it's gonna hold 809, and I was closely watching on asks. So there you go, 809. I can see the buying pressure, green prints. It's been printing and printing. That's why I said, oh, it's a good idea. So I kind of moved my stop somewhere at $8, as you can see. I didn't want to risk too much. Moved about 11 cents. So I was risking somewhere here, like I think 11 cents or something. More than 11 cents, 12 cents. So there you go. There you go. That's where I saw big orders like this. 829, and then 30 was my target. I just need 30 cents for this because I was risking 10 cents. Really tight. Volume is coming in. There you go. I see big orders, so it made me confident. Same for this one. I was just risking here. I was patiently waiting. I did not take any profit. I was gonna take somewhere at 820. I moved my stop somewhere here because it's kind of dangerous now. Took 10% there, to 10%. There you go. I was kind of like thinking if I should break. Yeah, there you go. That's my target. Took 10% there, and I was thinking of taking 50 now, 50%. This is where I took 50%. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm still waiting. There you go. Because it was kind of having a hard time breaking the 48 area. I took most of my position there, and then I got out. I mean, I of course last year's on break even, and I was kind of like watching it through BWAF. Maybe it's gonna go up and dump more. But the thing is, this is a major level, so I said maybe it's gonna have a hard time going back to 8. So I was kind of holding my price at 815. My average cost is 810. Yeah, so it was a pretty good trade. I'm kind of proud of it because I'd never really do this kind of trade. I normally trade around VWAP area, but it was a bit too far from VWAP, and I know if volume comes in, it's gonna VWAP is like a magnet. That's what's gonna happen. So I know that's why there's no volume here because nobody wants to sell it. It's a bit too far from VWAP. So what's gonna happen is buyers will buy it and then like take profit somewhere at VWAP or actually, my original target is 860. I don't know if it reaches 860. Let's see. Yeah. So I was kind of thinking of entering and re-adding here, but I did not. I just stopped out. Just started to bail out because I saw the selling pressure in there. Yeah. So normally when I trade, I closely watch green and red and level 2. I kind of feel how the motion goes. See like that, you see green, 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 and then you will see the price that will go up, right? Green, green, it's being pushed, it's being pushed. It looks like, and then if you see bids, no, ask that has a lot of orders, like, and then you see green prints like that's right. See, I was telling you, they're trying to take all the ask orders, and then it will drive the price up. I mean, that's based on my experience. I don't know how the price really works, but based on my experience, if I see a lot of greens and they're being taken off, it's gonna drive out the price. It's kind of simple as that. So yeah, let's fast forward this a bit because I did one more trade. So this is where I actually wanna get in again. I was actually thinking, but I was waiting for a good candle that will show me that it's really gonna go up. And the thing is, the view up is just flat. Sometimes it means if it's flat, it means it doesn't know where it's going. Probably volume is not enough for the view up to drive. Now you can see that the view up is going down. The thing is, this is a major level. This is probably the lowest of the previous days on the 18th last month, and this is probably where people are thinking of if this goes below 8, then I don't know where it's gonna go. Yeah, I don't want to short it here as well. This is where I want to take it long. Just you can see it's hovering around 10. And then I see orders there, but I didn't take it because it was a bit too dangerous. And yeah. Anyways, let's pause this and go to my next trade. Here you go. This is where I was thinking of taking it long again. It was kind of doing that bull flag here. The enter there, risking about 10 cents. Kind of dangerous, but I know where to enter. My target was just actually to break high of day. It's just 850 area. Yeah, you can see here. I really wanted it to break. But there you go. There, I should have taken there because it's 1 to 1. I should have taken half. Took half. It was a really, really tight risk. I was risking 10 cents. And then I was thinking maybe should I wait for break even or should I go 820? So I can't decide should I give back. It's kind of hard for me to decide. And I think I just decided to bail out. Yeah. So there you go. So yeah, I did eventually make a new high of day, but it's not really going to 80. So it's kind of hovering around 848 area. So if my stop somewhere here at 820, I could have survived it and take some more profit in there and got stopped. But yeah, it's kind of chopping around $8 to 850. So imagine only moves about 50 cents because if it moves 40 cents in one candle, that's like 5% and it's gonna halt. That's why it's only hovering around within that area. So I had to be careful as well. I know this is gonna be just tight. If not, it's gonna halt again. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my recap. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. If you know anyone who has the same interest, please let them know. And then if you have any questions, please comment down below, and then I will gladly help you out. Cool. Stay safe. Stay home. Have a good day, everyone. Peace.